Hello guys, let us understand what is a Docker. Docker is a container orchestration tool which is used for developing, shipping and running applications as a lightweight, portable, self-sufficient container. This was a very sophisticated definition and it does not help the newbies. In an easy language, Docker helps you package your application along with its environment, and that package becomes platform independent. That is, your package will work on any platform that has Docker installed. But why do we need a Docker? Let us understand this with a simple scenario. Suppose you have created an application. Your application is based on Node, Python, .NET 405, 4.5, and as an operating system it is Ubuntu 18.04. The application works perfectly fine on your machine. Now you share that application with the different developers. The developer 1 is using Ubuntu 20.04. The developer 2 is using Windows 10 and he is using Python 3.7. And the developer 3 is having the same system configuration as you have. Your application does not work on any of these machines. What will you do in such a scenario? Will you test your application on all these system configuration? And if you do so, you will waste a lot of your time. As a developer, you should be concerned on developing your application and not on whether my application will work or not on certain system configuration. To help you in such a scenario, Docker is very helpful. With the help of a Docker, you create a Docker package of your application. The Docker package is called as Docker image. The Docker image is shareable. The developer 1 has a Docker installed and he can use your Docker image to run the application. The developer 2 also has a Docker installed and he can use your Docker image to run the application. Same with the developer 3. With the help of a Docker, your Docker image will work on any system that has Docker installed. So Docker solves this problem, which is no matter what the system configuration other people are having, your application will work. That is, the Docker image is platform independent and it will work regardless of what is the system configuration. I hope you can understand. Let us look into Docker terminology. Docker image is shareable package of your application, that is, it can be shared with the other people. When you want to run and deploy your application, it is same as running a Docker container. If you are worried about what is a Docker image and what is a Docker container, do not worry, because in the next video we will cover what is a Docker image, what is a Docker registry, what is a Docker container, and some basic Docker commands. If you have any further doubts regarding what is a Docker and why do we need the Docker, write it down in the comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.